How to fix this story is unavailable on Instagram. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram. Now it will directly lead you to your home page here. Now what you want to do next is to actually, if you will see a story there and you cannot see it's because it just states that it's unavailable, then what you can do is to actually go here to your profile and you will see a burger sign there. Tap on that and tap on settings. Now here on settings, what you want to do next is to tap on help and then tap on report a problem, and then here you will explain your problem and tap and take a screenshot of the problem, then upload there and send it and wait for the Instagram community to get back to you and fix your problem. Now, the next thing that you can do is to actually go to your App Store, your Play Store, depending on the device that you have, and then tap on Instagram there. Now, here you have to make sure that your application is updated. So if you'll see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. It's because it's very important for you to update your application because it's a newer version. And of course, there are features that you can only access once you update your application. Now, the next thing that you want to do is you go to your settings, go to general here, and tap on iPhone storage here, and go to your Instagram application, and for Androids, you can clear cache your Instagram, and for iPhones, you can offload it and wait for it to be reinstalled again. Tap on reinstall app. So this reinstall app doesn't mean that it will actually clear off your data. So it will just refresh your application. So all the data are still intact there. So the next thing that you want to do if it's still not working is to uninstall your application and install it again and check if your Wi-Fi is stable or is strong. So if your Wi-Fi is not that strong, then you may want to transfer to your cellular data. And basically, that is how you fix this story is unavailable on Instagram. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.